Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make the yummy pesarattu with sprouted green gram. Let's get started. For this I took the sprouted green gram. We left it for 2 days and it sprouted like this. And I'm adding in the cumin seeds, green chili paste and the ginger into the blender in which we are putting in the sprouts here. So we're going to blend them all together into the fine paste. So ginger is really good for your health. Just add in and it gives nice kick to the paste. Here see, the paste is really smooth like this, and it should have this consistency to make dosas. So to make dosas, I'm going to heat in the pan. Yes, the iron pan is all hot enough to pour my dosa. Look at this. You have to be very careful because the green gram is sprouted, and also we didn't add in any flours like the maida or any rice over here, because we want to stay as healthy as possible. So the dosa might be very delicate because it's just gram flour here. So you're going to be very careful to spread it and also to take it out. See, I could get it out like this, so it will be very thin. So just take it and flip it the other side, just to get that heat from the pan the other side, and your dosa is already easy, isn't it? So pair it up with your favorite chutneys. I paired it up with ginger and groundnut chutney. Just try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you guys.